I won't change my lifestyle now, and I think I hope not, because I'm used to that, and I feel I've learned a lot. Actually, shocked and surprised that a story like this existed, and no one knows about it. I think मैं भी उतना ही जिद्दी हूँ. मैं भी जो मैं पाना चाहता हूँ पाके रहता हूँ, ट्राई करता हूँ, मैनिफेस्ट करता हूँ, एंड सो आई थिंक ये सारी क्वालिटीज जो है, एंड इन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव मैनर.
Hello guys, this is your host Aruna Purve and you're watching me on Movie Fight. Today here we have a very special guest with us who is not only good looking but a very talented champion himself. Welcoming Kartik Aryan on Movie Fight.
Thank you so much.
So Kartik, obviously movies के बारे में तो already आपने कई interviews दे दिए हैं. तो आपसे ये पूछना चाहेंगे, if there was a movie being made on your life, who would you wish to direct it?
Directed?
Yeah.
अच्छा, लेकिन एक्ट में ही करूँ. कबीर सर.
Okay. Which biopic is your favorite?
83, I think. Yeah.
Whose biopic would you love to star in?
Virat Kohli.
Wow. Nice. Your biggest learning from the film, Chandu Champion?
Dedication and patience. I think it taught me a lot of it, and yeah. So I'll have that. I won't change my lifestyle now, and I think I hope not, because I'm used to that, and I feel I've learned a lot in terms of dedicating my time towards my health.
Your remake you would love to sign?
No.
What drew you to play this role?
The story. I think the moment I heard the story, I was actually shocked and surprised that a story like this existed, and no one knows about it. So yeah, it felt like a responsibility for me also to be a part of this film, and an exciting opportunity. I think it's one of those films that rarely comes in an actor's career, where it's kind of a lifetime opportunity. So for me, all these factors, they were there, and of course Kabir Khan sir.
So what makes Chandu Champion special for you?
Somewhere down the line, I relate to the one line of the film, the man who refused to surrender, and I think that is what makes it special. It's a story. It's a story of an Indian dream where we dream about achieving our goals and aims, and I think somewhere we get lost with self-doubt and confidence and loss of confidence. So I think this is one film which I could relate to in every manner, where my struggles, my shares of ups and downs in life. So I think that's very special when you connect your journey also in a film.
Yeah.
And that happened with Chandu Champion.
Okay. Most difficult scene you shoot for the film?
Lots of them, because everything that I was doing in the film was for the first time. Even that war sequence, वो normal war sequence नहीं था. We shot an entire 8-minute war sequence, which without any cuts. So वो भी एक अपने आप में कहानी था. Boxing, I had to learn it from the basics. Swimming, I didn't know anything about. मैं बहुत ही खराब swimmer था. उसके अलावा मैंने क्या किया, दंगल, I think wrestling again. These are all the sports that I've never played, or I never thought that I would be performing in a film actually. तो मेरे लिए तो सब कुछ ही डिफिकल्ट था इस फिल्म में.
बट कार्तिक, आई थिंक ये फिल्म बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल ब्रेकडाउन हुआ था आपके लिए, जैसे यू मेंशन इन द अर्लियर इंटरव्यू. एक और स्पेशल चीज़ हुआ था, बुर्ज खलीफा वाला सीन. तो हाउ स्पेशल यू फेल्ट दैट टाइम?
Very special. I think it was a very unique idea to open advance booking from at Burj Khalifa, and yeah. So for me, it was really nice. I think over there, watching our labor of work, being showcased on the tallest building, in the world. So I think that was really nice.
And how do you relate with Chandu, the character Chandu?
I think मैं भी उतना ही जिद्दी हूँ. मैं भी जो मैं पाना चाहता हूँ पाके रहता हूँ, ट्राई करता हूँ, मैनिफेस्ट करता हूँ, एंड सो आई थिंक ये सारी क्वालिटीज़ जो हैं, एंड इन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव मैनर, ये सारी क्वालिटीज़ आई थिंक मैं खुद भी लेकर चलता हूँ शुरू से आज तक वैसे ही है. सो yeah, so that's why I can relate to the champion in Chandu.
Lastly, मूवी फाइट में बेस्ट एक्टर अवार्ड आपको मिला है, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे उस चीज़ के लिए?
Oh, I'm so glad, and I'm so thankful to the व्यूअर्स एंड रीडर्स ऑफ मूवीफाइड जिन्होंने मेरे लिए वोट किया, सत्तू के लिए वोट किया फ्रॉम सत्य प्रेम की कथा, एंड इट मीन्स अ लॉट, एंड आई एम सीरियसली थैंकफुल टू द एंटायर टीम ऑफ मूवीफाइड.
Okay, thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you, Karthik.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Thank you.